trying to get me to rate the customer service, and I've only been with Vodafone Italy for 2 days. So we're going through the little canals now. So I thought I'd film. Cheers. Salute. Wrong hand. Cheers. Ellie, you're just not left-handed. Oh, hilarious. No, we're still here. Apartments. It says 50,000 people live in the city and 60 on the islands around, and they all live upstairs in the apartments. So every winter the lower levels flood, which is probably why they don't look the best. And these bros all know each other.
All of them.
All of them. Their fathers did it, their grandfathers did it. Gondolier. Yeah. Internet. Oh, there's like a little restaurant there. I really want to see a wall kick, but it's not happening right now. Just now? Or?
No, that guy in front of us before.
Do they?
Going straight to left side, Roman style. Santa Maria la Fava, the only one of 126 churches.
Oh, 126 chickens. Wow, that's a lot.
This is the most famous product for the women, right side. For the Latin lover guys, Casanova, the sex machine.
Casanova, the sex machine. Super babe on the boat. Ellie, you've got your glasses on. You don't have that excuse.
Whatever.
Definitely not choosing our sperm donor. Not allowed. We wanted our guy to sing. He sounds like he's got a very good voice, but he's not singing yet.
Casanova building.
Yeah, Casanova building.
It's pretty.
It's beautiful. Meow.
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 You might say that
You gonna get a walk out, maybe? Let's see if we get a walk out or not. There's a bit of a pro. Oh, hi again. People are gonna freak out. They'll watch one on YouTube and they'll be like, I've seen the other side of this video. Okay, no wall kick for me. Maybe another time.